Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Revolut to a bank account in Nepal. This process is simple. We're going to log into Revolut and go here where it says Payments. Down here, we're going to go there. When we click there, we're going to click here. We click this plus button. And here this will open up. We're going to click here on this option. When we click on that particular option, a comprehensive list of various countries will gracefully open up right here. We then need to diligently look for the specific country, Nepal, and once we successfully locate Nepal, the system will promptly ask us to carefully enter a precise amount. We are going to proceed by entering the required amount and subsequently choosing the convenient bank account transfer method. We click continue, and when we do, it will ask us for a series of details that we need to fill in. Once we fill them in, we'll send the money. It's quite simple. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.